At this stage, you're choosing how you want to build and train your AI agent. Here, you have two options: the AI Vibe coding experience and the manual builder. Let's start with the AI Vibe coding experience, because this is the option we strongly recommend for most use cases. The AI Vibe coding experience is designed to be flexible, intuitive, and non-technical. You don't need to know how to write prompts, configure rules, or think about the technical side of AI. You simply explain what you want the agent to do, who it's for, how it should behave, and what its goal is. The system guides you through the process and helps translate your intent into a working AI agent. This approach makes it much easier to refine, adjust, and improve the agent over time. If you want to change tone, behavior, or direction, it's fast and natural to do so. In most cases, the results are more accurate and feel closer to what you actually want. Now, the second option is the manual builder. The manual builder is a more traditional setup. It's based on predefined settings and structured inputs, and in some cases, additional text or documents that support the configuration. Some users prefer this approach because it feels more basic and controlled. However, it usually offers less flexibility when it comes to quick changes, iterations, or fine-tuning the agent's behavior. That's why we recommend starting with the AI Vibe coding experience. In most cases, it delivers better results with less effort. And if for any reason it doesn't fit your needs, you can always switch to the manual builder later. This choice isn't permanent, and you're free to move between builder modes at any time. In the next video, we'll dive into the AI Vibe coding experience and show you exactly how to start training your agent step by step.